That investment you keep delaying is costing you more than you think. Now, let me say something that may make you uncomfortable. We procrastinate a lot. I, as a finance coach, I procrastinate. Oh, I'm going to buy this stock. Oh, I'm going to automate this. And then time goes on. I'm like, wow. I wanted to buy this stock and it's gone up. Oh, I wanted to sell this and it's gone down. The most expensive investment is the one you planned to make in January, and now it is April or May or June or whenever you're watching this. Not because the opportunity disappeared, but because you delayed. Every single month you keep delaying investing or taking any solid decision about your finances, you are paying a hidden cost. Inflation is quietly charging you rent on your own money. Your 1 million in that bank account is not just sitting, it is shrinking in value. And the painful part is that the loss compounds just like the gain could have compounded, but just in the wrong direction. Let's make this very practical. 1 million invested at an average of, 12 to 15% return over a few years can grow very significantly. But that same 1 million sitting in your account, it stays 1 million in numbers, but in reality, it buys less every single year. That's inflation. So whilst you are still thinking and waiting, you are actually losing. And it may not just be money market mutual funds, it might just be any decision that you need to take. Let me be honest with you. I am waiting for the right time usually means I don't have a system and I don't have discipline or the muscle. Because if you had a structure, you won't be guessing. The truth is that the right time was last year. And the second best time is now, today, as you're listening to me. So I need you to shift your mindset. You don't need to start big to start investing or getting your finances in order. You're looking at Dangote, you're looking at $10, you're saying, oh God, God when? God please. And God is saying, you too, please. The little I gave you, you are not using it. If you cannot save or manage 50,000 or manage 100,000, how do you want to manage 1 billion? Some people, money comes into their bank account and they're everywhere. You don't need to start big, you need to start now. A 50,000 naira investment today is more powerful than a 500,000 investment you keep postponing, because action builds momentum, but delay builds regret. What is one thing you need to do this week? This is what I want you to do, and it's very simple. Pick one investment this week, not 5, not 10, one. Are you opening a money market mutual fund? There are tons of them. At Smart Stewards, we have a Wealth Sync app. We have over 20 mutual funds. Pick one out of them. Or are you buying stock? Download a brokerage account. Download Bamboo now. And start now. I'm not saying do everything. Open the account now. Oh yeah. Open it up. Download the app. Set it up now. Transfer something, even if it is 10,000 or 1,000 or 5,000 or 50 or 100. Because the habit you are building is more valuable than the amount that you are starting with. Let's look at the macroeconomic reality and why it matters to set your finances in place. We're in a world where inflation is rising, currency value is unstable, global tensions, conflicts, wars, Iran, and brother Joe, political uncertainty affecting markets. US is fighting, Israel is fighting, everybody is fighting. He said, when two elephants fight, hey, who is suffering? The grass. You and I are not grass, but listen, there are a lot of things outside of our control, and we need to take our finances more seriously. Of course, prices are not waiting for you to be ready. This is not the time to be casual about your finances. This is the time to be more intentional. Because in uncertain economies, those with structure survive and grow. Those without it struggle. 4 asset classes you can start with. If you're wondering, okay, Coach Ola, I hear you. Hey, you're knocking me. Who knocked my head? Who break my head? Who slapped me? Where do I start? You can consider cash and cash equivalents, money market mutual funds, fixed deposit, or fixed income. Think of stability, treasury bills, bonds, money market funds, like I already said. It helps you with stability and discipline. You can do stocks, which is equity. This is where you buy into companies and grow with them. Local stocks. I love local stocks in Nigeria. Can I mention names? Go and read up about them. Banking, UTB, Zenith Bank, UBA, Dividend Monsters. Oil, energy, Aradel, Seplat. Seplat has crossed 10,000. I bought Seplat when it was 2,000. Imagine. I bought Aradel late when it was under 1,000, but it's gone up. Do you see? And then by manufacturing, Dangote cement, right? Boa cement, Boa food. Dangote refinery is coming out soon, depending on when you watch this. Whether it has come out or it is coming out, get into a community and learn about it. Invest based on fundamentals, long-term thinking, proper guidance. Not I heard it's going up. Oh, they said it is going up. Oh, you can do real estate directly or indirectly. You don't need millions to start. You can do real estate investment trusts. They're like funds. And you can do equity funds too. Any of these things, you can do funds. You can do fractional property investment. You can do land banking with proper due diligence. This is for long-term building wealth or wealth building. Of course, business or income producing assets is also an asset class. So it could be a side business, it could be expanding an existing one, it could be investing in a structured opportunity. The key is simple. You must generate income. And you yourself, you're an asset class. Build on your skills. I can speak, I can talk, I can write, I can bake. Invest in yourself as well, right? Many people are waiting for clarity before they act, but clarity often comes after action. It comes with momentum. You don't learn investing by thinking about it. You learn by doing wisely, but actively and learning with the right people. So let me ask you, what investment have you been planning since last year or since COVID or since 10 years ago? That money that you have been keeping, be honest, because that delay has already cost you something already. Now the question is, will you allow it cost you another year? Start this week, start today, not perfectly, not massively, just intentionally. If you're ready to move from planning to execution, you know where to find us. Mina by Smart Stewards will get you started. You will learn how to make, manage, and multiply money. Of course, share this video with your friends. Get on Mina using the link in the caption. Share our social media pages. Let's build wealth together. See you soon.